I'm Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations, and this is the Social Media Marketing Success Roadmap. There's a lot of assets in here that will help you build the strategy to be more successful in your business. This quick little video tells you how to get the most out of the resources here. Now, you probably have a login and password. Make sure to keep those handy, because as long as you have access to that information, you have access to this course. And we specifically designed this course to be evergreen, which means that even though social media changes, and it changes all the time, the strategy components that we have in these videos are always going to provide a value to you in your business. So sometimes there may be questions or exercises or action plans after the video, and I encourage you to take advantage of those. Now, the overall action plan, I would love for you to print out and then take notes along the way. So, and if you don't take notes longhand, no worries. Maybe you can do it digitally in Excel or Word, as you like. But the thing is that a great plan without action is just a great plan. You need to have a great plan, and you need to put that into action. So I would love you to do the following. I would love for you to watch the videos and take notes along the way. And I would love for you to watch the videos again, because now you'll have a more comprehensive idea of how everything goes together. And then go through this action plan more specifically. And that second run is going to produce some high quality next steps for you to put into play. And realize that we've organized everything into 3 rough categories. We have the strategy, we have the implementation, and then we have results. You need to know what to do, that's the strategy. You need to do it, that's the implementation. Then you need to know if it actually works, that's the results. And then sometimes along the way, we offer you, there's other resources. Maybe if we're talking about video marketing, maybe you need a little bit more information, advanced information about YouTube or something like that. You can click on the links, the blog posts, what have you, so that we can add more value to you. This has been Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations. I thank you for your investment in the Social Media Marketing Success Roadmap. I'm excited that you're here, and I look forward to hearing about your success. Thanks for listening.